Fine. Can you all tell me the theorem, students? What's the first theorem we have? Just tell me in terms of angles. The angle formed on center will be twice circumference. Next, arc. If it is have if it has same arc, the angle formed on circumference will be equal to, I mean, same arc, right? If it has same arc, the angle formed on both the circumference should be equal. Then cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? If a quadrilateral touches all four sides of a, we call it cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So start solving, follow this order, students. Always check cyclic quadrilateral first. Okay, take down this order, cyclic quadrilateral first. If it is cyclic quadrilateral, what are the two theorems we have in cyclic quadrilateral? Joanna, Naomi, can you unmute and answer? If it is a cyclic quadrilateral, all four angles should be actually quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. 360 degree. This is the first point you'll have to remember. All four, sum of all four angles is 360. Then what's the next point? Opposite angles. Sum of opposite angles should be equal to, Joanna, what's the answer, Joanna? What's the value? Yeah, whatever written. Can you see the screen? Yeah, sum of opposite angles should be equal to, what are the other two angles left? Angle B plus angle D is equals to 180. So this is what you have to follow first rule. What's the first rule? You have to check cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, second thing, diameter theorem. What is diameter? See, the angle formed, whenever a diameter is given, the angle formed on the semicircle. Example, if BD is the diameter, which one is the diameter here, Joanna? BD, yes. From the diameter, if you draw an angle at the arc, at the circumference, which angle is formed at the circumference? See, BD, yes, BD is the diameter. What's the angle formed at C? What will be the value? 90 degree. Angle formed on the semicircle. So angle BCD should be equal to 90 degrees. The same goes with BAD. What will be the value of BAD? All of you, yes, all of you remember this, all these concepts. Students, am I audible? Why no reply? Is Ivania online? Ivania, Adia? Okay, unmute and reply. So yeah, try do it in this order: cyclic quadrilateral, diameter. Then go with center and circumference concept. Center and circumference. Now let us take angle ABD. What's the value of angle ABD, students? Start from A, B, and D. What's the value of angle ABD? 55 degrees. And which is the arc? Use arc. Don't look, yeah, cut it as triangle. First apply arc. AD is the arc. On the same arc, what's the other triangle formed? ACD. So I'm talking about this. First go with arc. Then you can apply triangle concept. ABD is equal to triangle ACD 55 degrees. Fine. Now I want you all to find the value of angle BDA. Yes, find the value of BDA, students. See, first look BDA as an arc. BDA, which one will be the arc for BDA? Which is the arc? BA is the arc. Okay, on the same arc BA, what's the other triangle formed? BCA. So if entire C is 90 degree, what will be the value of BCA? 35, 35 degrees. So what is the value of BDA? 35 degrees. This is how we apply our concept. So in the first day, if I taught the same thing, you wouldn't have understood. Now it's been almost more than 2 weeks. We kept solving many questions. Now it is easy to figure out which is R and all those things. See, we could have used this. We know angle C is 90 degree, 35 and 35. If not, we could have used even sum of interior angle of a triangle. Look at BDA. Angle B plus angle D plus angle A is given. What is angle A value? If BD is the diameter, what is angle A, students? 90 degree, and B is 55 degrees. So 55 plus BDA should be equal to 180 degrees. Even through this you can calculate. That is 180 minus 1 180 minus 145. That will give you 35 degrees. Okay, I'm telling you all the rules which to according to which rule you have to try. First go with cyclic quadrilateral theorem, then diameter theorem. For diameter you have to write the reason as, for example, angle BAC, BCD, angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. See, later they will reduce marks, students. Then later you all can't blame the teacher. They will definitely reduce marks. BCD is given. You have to write angle formed on. Is it full circle or semicircle? If diameter is broad, semicircle. Angle on semicircle. That's it. Angle on semicircle. Even BAD, same thing. Even for BAD, 90 degree, angle formed on semicircle. Reasons. I'm giving all the reason what to write. Next. As I explained, you all can use triangle concept. But before triangle, always go with first and second theorem. Go with first and second theorem. So I asked you all which question did I ask? ABD, students. ABD. ABD is equals to which one? Look at ABD. If AD is the R, ACD, ACD. 55. Tell me the theorem. What reason will you all write? What reason? Where are these two angles formed? On the center or circumference? Circumference. So, what is common to both? A and D is common. So we call it as segment. Angles of same segment. Don't write angles formed on the circumference. The theorem is angles of same segment. And I told you all the meaning of segment. From any arc, if it touches the circumference, that is chord. Look here, arc plus chord will give you segment. Angles of same segment. Okay, next, see this point. Last concept, in this there is a last concept, that is the other theorem. Okay, if BD is the diameter, like this, O. There, the center is O. Fine. I want you all to find, yes, Good evening, Kanisma. Can you see the screen? See, why are you late? Okay, just 5-10 minutes. You can go through the recording. If not, if you know all this topic, you can continue from here. Now, angle AOD students. Where is angle AOD? Is it on the center or circumference? On center. So, if it's on center, first always go with theorem. If it's in center, what is the theorem we use? Center is equals to twice circumference. So, which is the arc here for AOD? Which is the arc? AD. On the same arc AD, check what's the other triangle formed on the arc ACD. So AOD will be equal to twice ACD. Understood? Therefore, angle AOD is equals to 2 into 55, 110 degrees. This part will be 110. Look where I've written 110. If you directly try to apply triangle concept, students, if you consider this as triangle AOD, that might be a bit tough. Unless and until you see some marking. Okay, you can use this. Now tell me what's the other way to find. What's the other way to find? Look at angle AOD. Can you use triangle concept? In AOD, what kind of triangle is this AOD? Isosceles. Which two sides are equal? OD is equals to OA. 35, 35, 70, 110. 110. We got the same answer. So if it is center, if you are aware of the formulas, center we know from center to circumference, isosceles triangle. Use that. But I would suggest always go with theorems first. The center is equals to twice circumference and this one angle formed on the same segment. That's it. We have covered all this. We'll start solve and parallel line concept. In parallel line concept, allied angles, all those things. 16th question. No, 16th was done. Okay, once again we'll try 16 students. We'll start from 16th. All of you try the 16th one. See, don't randomly start solving the question. Follow the order which I've told you all. Check cyclic. Angle formed on semicircle. Semicircle concept. And there is no semicircle. Then go with center is equals to twice circumference or angles formed on same segment. Theorem 1, theorem 2. Then fifth, go with triangles. In triangle, isosceles, equilateral, sum of interior, angle of a triangle. Yes, try the 16th one. Don't look at this int. Int is of no use. Copy the diagram, students. First triangle CBD. CBD. And Tanishka, when are you supposed to submit project? What about other class? Did sir give? Teachers give you a project? August 18, June, July. August 18th, right? Okay, remind me after your test, Tanishka. Yeah, as soon as your test gets over, we'll start project. Now we don't have time. CBD, CAB, CBD. See, if you're not able to find CBD, go with CAB. If not CAB, ACB. Okay, Adi, how do you start this question? Yes, unmute Adi, your voice is not audible. Hmm. You still didn't start doing it? CBD. How do you find the value of CBD? What did I say, Adya? You don't know? See, can you unmute the call? Fine. Mariana, answer this, Mariana. Try answer it. What did I tell you to apply first? Cyclic. Is it possible to apply cyclic? Not even one complete angle is given, right? Check. What about D, A, B, C? Any complete angle? No? Okay. Others stop doing, students. How many of you tried the first one? Yusra done. Ivania, DH3. Okay. Joanna, what about Joanna, Naomi, Tanishka? Okay. DH3, how did you start? CBD. Very good. Angle formed on the same segment. What about others? How did you all try? Same? Good. What about Joanna and Naomi? What did you all do? Then why you didn't answer, Naomi? See, if the concept is correct, whatever you apply, the answer should be correct, right? Anyway, Adi, I'm not able to hear. You didn't answer. I think you didn't know the answer. Joanna, how did you do it, Joanna? Yeah, tell me what is that same thing? What same thing did you apply? Unmute and answer, Joanna. What same thing? Why CAD? Same what? So which is the arc here? DC is the arc. Okay. Why do you take so long, Joanna? What's the reason? Why you're not able to answer? Is this the time to eat? I gave you all sums to solve. See, Adya, Joanna, if you're busy with some other work, next time I won't ask any questions. Okay, seriously, I won't ask any questions next time. If you're busy with some other work, texting or sharing the answers, why do you all attend the class? Hereafter, I won't ask. Do whatever you all want. I won't ask any questions. Just copy and you all can leave the class. Okay, others answer this, students. Yes. DSC, tell me CBD, C and D is the arc. So angle CBD is 25 degrees. Can't be teaching again and again. If you all want, you all solve, or is no problem, students. You all can leave. So what's the reason you'll have to write? Angles formed on same segment. Angles formed on same segment. Next is CAB. Yes. Ivania, how did you solve CAB? Okay, very good. You have taken angle ACB is equals to ACB is equals to correct ADB. That is equals to 35 degree. Okay, 35. Next, CBD. Correct. What you have done is there are multiple ways, students, and even this is correct. What Ivani answered. Angle, which one Ivani? Angle CB is equal to, no. What you told earlier was correct. Angle CBD is equals to which one? On the same arc, TAB, right? So both are 25. Correct. So what's the entire value of angle B? Therefore, angle, yes. You'll have to mention like this, students. Entire value of angle B. Entire value of angle B, you'll have to write it as ABC. Angle ABC is equals to 75. Then, second question. Second question is angle CAB. Tell me the value. How will you find this, Ivania? What is the statement you have written? Angle CAB is sum of which three angles? Interior, sum of interior angles. So, what is the answer? Angle CAB plus angle CBA plus angle ABC. Right? So, what is CAB? CAB is what you have to find. Angle CBA 75 plus 35. What did you all get, students? What's the answer you all got for CAB? Others whoever had completed, Yusra, Tanishka, 70. Correct. CAB is equals to 180 minus 110, 70 degrees. Then what else you have to find? Angle ACB. What is angle ACB? Okay, we already found ACB. What is ACB? Yes. What is ACB? ACB equal to ADB. That is equal to 35 degrees. Angle formed on the same segment. Okay, angle formed on the same segment. Okay, fine. Now, what if they ask you angle BDC, students? How will you find BDC? Try BDC. Let me see who can answer this. BDC. Look at the triangle. Okay, BC is the arc, but BAC value is not given, right? On- Where is BAC? Where is BAC given? Oh, just now you found TAB, right? TAB or BAC? Okay, correct. So the answer should be 70 degrees. Right, 70. Okay, the answer should be 70 degree. Which method did you use here? We use the arc method here. Angles of segment. Okay, apply quadrilateral, students. Quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. What's the entire angle of B? Entire value of angle B? 75. Then what should be the value of angle D? 180 minus. Correct. 180 minus 75 is 105. In 105, if one part of D is 35, what will be the other part? You can even do it like this, whichever you all feel easy. See why they have given this theorem 1 and theorem 2, very important and very easy to find all the angles. Angle formed on same segment, then center is equals to twice the circumference. Your center is not given. Okay, so don't, yeah, center, no question is asked. Fine, next parallel line concept. Try the 15th one, not 15th. 17th one, apply exterior angle, parallel line. Try the 17th one. See, don't look at this int. And Naomi, is Naomi online? Yeah, Naomi, still if you're not able to answer, you can skip this chapter, Naomi. Okay. So don't worry about the answers. If you're still struggling, not able, if you're not concentrating, because anyway you're not answering, just 5 marks. This would they would give it for 5 marks. You can skip this chapter. Concentrate on other chapters. Is it clear, Naomi? No, no problem. No problem. Anyways, I'm not going to lose marks. Just 5 marks. Try this, students. First, apply cyclic parallel lines. exterior angle is given. Exterior angle of a quadrilateral is given. CAD, CBD, ADC. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC. Be quick, students. Simple question. If you have done, let me know. I'll solve. Yes, Yusra. Second part, CBD. Okay, CBD. First one, you got the answer for the first one. Okay, what's the answer for CAD? Good, 55 degrees. Next, we have to find CBD. Okay, parallel line. Did you apply parallel line concept? Which two sides are parallel, Yusra? Then which two angles should be equal to 180 allied angles? Where is the parallel line formed? Top, bottom, or left and right? And bottom. So which two angles should be equal? Angle B will be equal to angle BCD. Not equal. Some of their angles should be equal to 180. Okay, let me solve. Let me do it. What about others completed? ADC. Then Yusra, you almost got the answer. If you have found ADC, you almost got the answer. Okay, Tanishka, Diyashri done. What about Mariana? See, if I leave even after half an hour, even if I give half an hour, 1 hour, you all will still be doing students. Tell me what reason, where you all got stuck, which one you are not able to do. Even after 2 hours, I ask, you'll tell the same thing. Still, you'll be doing it. Which one you're doing, Mariana? First one, what did you get? For CAD, what did you get? Ending part, you just end it later, Mariana. Okay, look at your students. What is CAD? How did you all find? 100 degrees. If BCD is 100, yeah, Yusra, which formula did you apply to find CAD? Interior alternate. See, how can you use interior alternate here? Okay, CAB and you have used ACD 25. Okay, after that, no, Yusra, no, you're not supposed to do like, okay, that is length. You're not supposed to do like this. Can you see 80 degree given here? 80 degree is what angle? If you compare, if you compare it with ABCD, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Isn't it exterior angle? Exterior, yes. All of you will concentrate here. AB and DC students, they are parallel lines. If they are parallel, DC will be straight line. If exterior angle is 80 degree, what about entire C, Yusra? Entire C is 100 degrees. Yeah, 100 degrees. Then after applying, once we got to 100 degrees, isn't it a cyclic quadrilateral? It's a cyclic quadrilateral. You can apply that concept, you'll get DAC. If not, look at the direct formula is exterior angle of a quadrilateral. Exterior angle, this is a theorem, actually it's a theorem. Exterior angle of a quadrilateral What's the theorem, students? Who knows this theorem? Is equals to sum of, sorry, interior opposite angles. So 80 degree interior opposite angle. Even this entire A should be 80 degree. Okay, so angle BCE is equals to angle DAB. This is what you write. You can use both interior angle. This is a theorem. It's a theorem. Exterior angle of a quadrilateral is equals to interior opposite. Similar to a triangle. Even for triangle, it is sum of interior opposite, but here it is just interior opposite angle. Okay, now angle BC is 80 that is equals to 80 degree. Entire angle DAB. DAB is made of how many angles? DAB is equals to DAC plus CAB. So 80 degree is equals to CAD. CAD plus 25 degrees. What's the value of CAD? This is how you are supposed to do, students. 80 minus 25, 55 degrees. 55 degrees. Okay, then parallel line concept like this, parallel line. Even this, what you had done, even that is correct. In parallel line concept, if this angle is 25, what about the inner one, students? Angle BCD, this also would be 25. You could even do it like this, 25. But again, there is, yeah, 25 here. Then what about this one? 55, we found 55. So what is angle B, students? What is angle B? Not angle B, angle D. What is angle D? 180 minus 80. So that will be 100. 100. You can even do it like this, 100 degrees. If this is 100 degrees, what about angle B, students? Angle B, 80 degrees. You can even do it like this, or you all could have applied allied angle concept. Which two are allied angles? Angle A plus angle D should be 180 degree. What is angle A? 80 degrees? Yes. So correct. You all at least tried it. Good. 80 degrees, 100 degrees, 180. Now the question is CBD. CBD. Let me join this triangle. Second one, right? C. We need B and we need D. Okay, so this part, what we got? This part is, what's the value of this? 100, right? 100 degrees. Okay, now CBD. Same parallel line, students. Use parallel line concept. If I connect this, wait, still you're not getting right. 25. Is any center given? 80 degrees, 25 degrees, angle of same. Okay, okay, we'll get the value. See, how do you, we need, if you find the angle of D, can we apply sum of interior and find B? Yes. Now I want you all to answer D, students. Find CDB. Just think CBD. How will you find CBD? Don't look at it as triangle. Check it as arc. Which is the arc for CDB? CB is the arc. On the same arc, what's the other triangle formed? Will be the angle then? 25 degrees. Now did you all understand? Yes, 25 degrees. See, apply all the possible values, students. You all didn't think about arc. You are just thinking about parallel lines. Think as arc, CB. First, we didn't get as triangle. Forget about triangle. Think as arc, segment. So, CDB is equals to angle CAB. That is equals to 25. Now, apply interior all sum of interior angle concept. 180 minus 125 is 55 degrees. Is it clear, all of you? Did you all understand? DHT done. Yusra, DHT, CAD. CAD is 55. Yes. Which one? DAC. Ah, you can use. Yes, yes, you can use Yusra. It's the same, right? Yeah, it's the same. Correct. Now, did you understand? Yeah, apply the theorem, students. See what Yusra told was angle CBD or angle DBC. Both are same. The meaning of is this same? Same, right? So what is DBC, students? In DBC, which is the arc? DC. On the same arc, what's the other triangle formed? What's the other triangle formed? DAC. Yes, that is what Yusra do. It's the same. Yes, you can even do it like this. See, I have explained all the concepts here. You can apply in any order. Try to find out. Don't take half an hour, 1 hour for one question. Try within 5 minutes. If you're not getting it, let me know. Try all the possible values. You can even write it like this. Angle DBC is equals to angle DAC. That is equals to 55 degrees. Angle ADC, what is the value of angle ADC, students? What was the entire angle D? Entire angle D was 100 degrees. So what is ADC? All of you got 100? ADC? Yes. So write the reasons. Whoever is concentrating, you'll know what to write. Write the reasons, complete it. After break, we'll try the next question. See, this is how you do. Even in exam, if you're not able to get, skip. Now, example, one student, Yusra got the first and third one. Second one, she didn't get. In that time, don't waste the time, students. Skip that. In the last, you all can go through. In the last, try to apply all the concept. Change the values. And here, right, angle of same segment. Okay, take break. After 5 minutes, we'll continue. Yeah, try the next one, students. All of you will try the next question. 18th question. Read the question. Two sides are equal, BA and BC. If two sides are equal, apply isosceles concept and do it. Yes, before solving this, student, just a minute. Look at the screen. Look at the second diagram. In cyclic quadrilateral, there was another theorem, exterior angle. So, which is exterior angle here? Can you tell me the exterior angle? Angle? Yes. So, exterior angle will be equal to which angle? Interior. So, angle ADC. On the same side, if I extend like this, students, tell me the other exterior angle is equals to which one? Which is opposite? Interior opposite. Angle DC. Yes, angle DC. Fine. This is the theorem, exterior theorem. They can project it out any side. They can even project it like this. PDA. Okay. So PDA is one. I'll take as R. P and R is a line. So they can even project it this way. PCB. Sorry, RCB. Okay, anyway, RCB or BCR. So this BCR is equals to which one? Exterior angle. BCR, students. BCR is equals to which one? Interior opposite, that is DA. Okay, I have taken one more. PDA or ADP. PDA or ADP is equals to what? Look at PDA, student. Exterior is equals to DCB is wrong. ABC. ABC, right? Yeah, just go inside. So just skip and see. I asked you all PDA. For PDA, just enter inside the triangle. See, this is what I asked. PDA. Enter inside triangle opposite. Okay, enter inside the triangle opposite value. This is all about exterior angle. And the reason, take down the reason. You'll have to write reason. For all these four angles, you have to write exterior angle of a quadrilateral is equals to interior opposite. Exterior angle of a quadrilateral is equals to interior opposite angle. Interior opposite angle is equal to, values will be same. Based on that, try this question. Based on this concept, try this. EDA is what you have to find. ADE. So ADV will be equal to which one? Which triangle? I mean, which angle, students? ADA should be equal to angle ABC. Yes. So ABC is what kind of triangle? Isosceles. Such a simple question. Within 20-30 seconds, you'll have to complete it. Apply isosceles sum of interior angle isosceles concept in angle ABC. And don't write single angle, students. Write it like this: complete angles. Write CAB is equals to angle ACB, that is equals to 40 degrees. These two are 40 each. So therefore, angle CAB plus angle ACB plus angle ABC is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equals to 180 minus 40 plus 40 is 8. What's the value? Is it 100? 100 degrees. Simple, 100 degree. Therefore, angle EDA is equals to angle ABC. That is equals to 100 degrees. And you'll check the answer in textbook. Is it correct? Just keep a bookmark, students. As we solve, try cross check the answers. Starting it is tough. As you keep solving, it is easier than arithmetic. Arithmetic you feel boring. There are a lot of data. Geometry is interesting. Try the next question. That's it. Try the next one. Chord is given. Parallel line is parallel to AB, AB. Okay. Whoever has completed, try the next one. Fine. Tomorrow I'll be starting. See, from 21st question onwards. We have secant students. BE is outside. BEAE secant question. So don't miss class this week. For the next 2 days, we'll try to complete 2 or 3 days. Check the diagram in textbook. It's too small. In the given figure, diameter is given. So if diameter is given, there are chances of semicircle. Angle formed on semicircle. Try that. Angle O is given. ED is parallel to AB. Okay, two chords are parallel. EB is parallel to AB. 65 degrees. Look, they've given EAB students. EAB is 65, which means you have to join EB. EAB is a triangle. Angle formed on semicircle. EBA, BED, BCD. EBA, BCD. Look, there is even parallel line given. AB is diameter, ED is parallel to AB. So you can use even parallel line concept here. ED parallel to AB. All of you have done simple questions, students. Within 1 minute, you all could have done this. Not even 1 minute. Check the parallel line concept. Done. Who are completed? Okay, others done. Parallel line concept. Use parallel line EBD. Okay, let me keep this parallel line as it is. Look at the screen, students. Look at the screen. I think the first one was easy, right? What is EBA? What is angle E? 90 degrees. What's the reason you'll have to write? Angle angle formed on the semicircle. Angle formed on the semicircle. Okay, angle formed on the semicircle. 90 degrees. Then apply sum of interior angle. What will be angle EBA? 180 minus 25 degrees. 180 minus 155. 25 degrees. Till here, all of you are completed? Till you are done? Next, second question, students. Look at BED. For BED, what you do? Take out the parallel line. Look at the second diagram. Simple question. Second diagram, 25 degree. In a parallel line, if BD is 25, what about if AB is 25? What about BED? 25. What's the reason you have to write? Interior alternate angles. Like this. Look at this. Oh, last question. Another 5 minutes. We'll complete. Interior alternate angles. Hmm. So interior alternate, students, 25 degree. If this is 25, angle E also should be 25. This is interior alternate angle concept. Interior alternate. Okay, what is the other interior alternate we have? If B is a straight line, what is the remaining value? 180 minus 25. How much is 180 minus 25? 150, 155, right? Yes, 155. Later, let me see. See, they haven't asked here, but in exam they might extend the line, students. They might extend the line and ask. So you should be thorough with parallel line concept. They can extend like this, and they'll ask the entire value of angle B. That is, this is one interior angle. Next, look at angle D. Angle D. These two will be interior. This and this. Interior alternate angles. Is the answer correct in textbook? Is it 25? Check the answer, students. Is it 25? Last question. BCD. How did you all find BCD? Okay, which is cyclic quadrilateral and what's the reason here? ABCD as a cyclic quadrilateral. Very good. See, how many sides this has, students? This is not as entire thing is not cyclic quadrilateral. How many points does it have on the circumference? It has 5 points. ABCD. Yes, ABCD has 5 points. Therefore, Entire ABCD is not a cyclic quadrilateral, but you can take, look at, as Dheeraj told, BEDCB. All four corners are touching the circle. Corners are touching. Okay. If this is 25 degree, what will be the value of C? Opposite angle should be equal to. See, we got BED. BED plus angle DCB is what, BCD is what we need to find. BCD. BED plus BCD should be equal to what? Should be equal to how much, students? 80. So angle is equals to 180 minus 155, 160, 170, 180, 155 degrees. Okay, 155. And angle A and angle D are not cyclic, students. What's the other cyclic quadrilateral? Other two opposite angles? What are the other two angles will be equal to 180? Angle B and angle D. Yes, angle B and angle D. They haven't asked questions based on that. So this is the main concept where Driyashri's answer was correct. This is how you relate it. Angle BEDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABE was angle on semicircle. BECD cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, complete this. Next, try the 20th question for homework. All of you look at 20th question, students. What will be angle D? If angle CB is 55 degree, what will be angle D? Exterior angle of a quadrilateral is 55, right? If it is 55, what is angle D then? 55 degrees, both will be 55. Correct. If that is 55 degree, what is angle AOC? Angle formed in the center, 55 into 2 is 110. Right? 110. Then what will be angle X, students? X is reflex angle, 360 minus 360 minus 110. Try that question for homework, 20th one. Simple question. Try that. I will continue tomorrow. 21st onwards, we'll continue tomorrow. That's it for today. You all can leave.